During tough times, it's all about coming together. Now, RCB owner Diageo have pledged a huge amount for India's fight against COVID-19. And on the other hand, BCCI has decided to donate 2,000 oxygen concentrators again for the battle against COVID-19 for India. And sabse ant mein we're going to see what has Salman Butt predicted for the World Test Championship final, because he feels this team has an added advantage. Which is that team and what are all the details about today's latest stories I'm going to be giving you. Hello everybody, welcome to News Tracker. My name is Nivedana Prabhu. I hope all of you are doing well and keeping safe. And before I begin the video, if you haven't liked, shared and subscribed to Crick Tracker as yet, what are you waiting for? Hit that button quickly so that you don't miss a single video that we bring for you. And without wasting time, let's get into this video. The second wave of COVID-19 in India surely took everybody by storm and it affected many families. But on the other hand, many prominent organizations as well as personalities came forward to help India's fight against COVID-19. Now, many IPL franchises earlier also did their bit, but the latest to do so is Royal Challengers Bangalore's owner Diageo. Now, this company, of course, the owner of the company, Anand Kripalu, has decided to donate a huge amount to ensure that they not only stand by Indian citizens, but they're also hoping that this amount will make a big difference in terms of the healthcare infrastructure of India. Now, what are the exact details and what has he said about this? I'm going to be telling you. Now, for starters, of course, Diageo has pledged to donate 45 crores to enhance public healthcare infrastructure across India. And Kripalu said about the same: at a time when the country is facing an unprecedented humanitarian crisis, we want to support the government's efforts and stand by the citizens of India. Long-term medical infrastructure, especially hospital beds and self-sufficiency in oxygen, is what is needed the most, and we hope our contribution going into every state and union territory will help play a part in India's recovery. Now, of course, Diageo is the parent company of Royal Challengers Bangalore, and like the CEO said, Anand Kripalu, that they are hoping that the 45 crore donation that they are making, or rather a pledge, will definitely help India's fight against COVID-19. Like I had initially said, that during tough times, it's all about everybody coming together to ensure that they are doing their bit. And on the other hand, the BCCI has also decided to do their bit in India's battle against COVID-19. Now, the Board of Cricket of Control for India, which is the BCCI, has decided to donate 10 litre of 2,000 oxygen concentrators to help India's crisis in not only fighting against the COVID-19, but also with the fact that there was a lot of shortage of these oxygen concentrators, and they could potentially be making a huge difference to everybody, of course, who's suffering from the COVID-19 pandemic. Now, they are going to ensure that over the next few months, these cylinders are distributed across the country. But what has the BCCI president Sourav Ganguly said about this entire act of theirs? I'm going to be telling you. In that statement, Sourav Ganguly has said that the BCCI acknowledges the stellar role that the medical and healthcare community has played and continues to play as we fight this long battle against the virus. The oxygen concentrators will provide immediate relief to those affected and will help in their speedy recovery. Now, like, of course, Sourav Ganguly has also stated that through this gesture, the BCCI wants to ensure that whoever does have any sort of problem while battling against the COVID-19, they are hoping that through this gesture, they will be able to make a little bit of a difference. Well, moving on from thoughtful gestures to something that is a little more exciting during these testing time, of course, is the fact that many cricket fans are looking forward to that one big tournament which is coming up between India and New Zealand in that World Test Championship final. Now, of course, both these teams are going to be clashing. It's going to be held in England from June 18th. But former Pakistan skipper Salman Butt has given his opinion as to who he thinks will have a better edge in the World Test Championship final. Now, what has he said? I'm going to be telling you. In that statement, Salman Butt has said, since the match is in June and since New Zealand would be better prepared for the English conditions due to the 2-test series against England before the WTC final, they would definitely hold an edge. Now, New Zealand would have the momentum because of continuity in Test cricket, as they would go into the final on the back of 2 matches, whereas India, without without any match practice would be waiting for them in the finals. Now, this is the prediction, of course, that he is making, that he feels because of the fact that New Zealand will have that little bit of added advantage of facing England right before they face India. That might be a slight advantage. But you tell me in the comment section below, do you agree with Salman Butt, or do you think that India will manage to still crack the WTC final without having that much of practice like the New Zealand? Tell me all your thoughts in the comment section below. Well, that is a wrap on this episode of the News Tracker. If you liked the video, give it a big thumbs up, follow all our social media channels, and if you're looking for everything exciting in the world of cricket, we have some fantastic videos coming up for you. So for that, you will have to subscribe to Cricket Tracker. So do not forget to hit that button quickly. My name is Nivedana Prabhu. I'll be seeing you very soon. Until I see you next time, like I always say, be responsible and stay at your houses and step out only if it's essential. And don't forget your mask when you step out. See you. Take care.